Hello everyone. This training video picks up from the previous session on IT components. We will be covering peripheral devices and IT storage complexities. I chose to cover this topic because I felt like there is a lot of value for IT professionals regardless of your level due to the involved interaction with customers. As covered in the previous video, peripheral devices make up the input and output devices and they create the computing experience. They are the hardware that extend our computer's capabilities. We are talking about your keyboards, mouse, printers, just to name a few. To use these devices, we need to connect them, which can be done via ports or connectors like USB, HDMI, and VGA. More older systems or legacy systems use serial ports. More modern devices take advantage of Bluetooth connections. Some devices are plug and play, while others require manual installation with drivers and software. Which brings us to where things don't go smoothly. Common issues can include devices not being recognized or driver problems. Some of the ways to resolve these issues include uninstalling and reinstalling the device if you have the driver and software available. You can also try connecting to a different device to see if there are other issues with the main peripheral. Power cycling the device is also a good way to clean any lagged spool used to share the device between multiple users. And finally, consider the age of the device relative to the operating system in use. Storage is the lifeblood of information technology. We'll explore why it's critical and how data growth affects our storage needs. Today's storage mainly involves traditional hard drives, solid-state drives, NAS or network-attached storage, and the ever-expanding world of cloud storage. Understanding storage size from terabyte to exabyte is essential. We'll also discuss how to scale your storage to meet your growing needs. Terabyte. A terabyte is approximately a trillion bytes. It's commonly used for personal storage needs, such as laptops, hard drives, or external drives. It can store thousands of documents, images, and even videos. A petabyte. A petabyte is about 1,000 terabytes. This level is often used by large enterprises and data centers to store vast amounts of data. It can hold millions of documents, images, and hours of video. Exabyte. An exabyte is roughly 1,000 petabytes. This level of storage is usually reserved for massive data centers and cloud providers. It can store billions of documents, images, and extensive video libraries. To scale a company's storage to meet growing needs, you'll need to do the following. Assess your current storage requirements and anticipated growth. Understand your data types, how fast you're growing, and their importance to your operations. You would want to select the storage technology that suits your needs. For scalability, consider cloud storage or solutions like a NAS or a SANS, otherwise known as a storage area network. Cloud storage offered by providers like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud is highly scalable. You can increase or decrease your storage as needed, paying only for what you use. Implementing NAS or SAN solutions allows for flexible scaling through adding more devices to your network, but that would mean more on-site hardware or on-prem hardware. Utilize data management software that help optimize storage utilization and enable, where possible, automatic efficient storage allocation. Create a backup and recovery process. This not only protects your data, but also allows you to scale by adding more backup capacity as needed. Continuously monitor your storage infrastructure to identify bottlenecks or capacity issues before they become critical. All of the above comes with a cost, and it requires you to manage your IT budget. Scalability should be cost-effective. Consider the return on the investment when scaling your storage infrastructure. Lastly, as you scale, ensure that security measures scale with the application. Implement encryption, access control, and cybersecurity practices to protect your growing data. It should already be apparent, but be prepared to adapt your storage strategy as new technologies become available in the marketplace.